Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best kids' water bottles to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 kids' water bottles. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Thermos Funtainer Straw Bottle. The Thermos Funtainer features a simple design and is available in various colors and graphics, including Batman. We love the Funtainer's spill-proof, leak-proof design. Instead of a flip-up straw, it features a flip-top lid with a silicone straw underneath. The design helps prevent spills and leaks and keeps the straw protected from dirt and grime, making this option a more hygienic choice. While the design helps protect against germs and leaks, it might be more complicated for younger kids because you have to press a button to open the lid. The lid also features a handle that makes the Funtainer easy to carry, and the insulated design keeps drinks cold for up to 12 hours. Our kids' water bottles are built so their drinks are as cool on the inside as they look on the outside. Not for hot liquids. High-quality 18/8 stainless steel construction is built to handle drops, dings, and assorted roughhousing. Number 2. Takea Actives Kids Water Bottle. Featuring a 14 ounces vessel and flip-up straw lid, Takea's insulated water bottle for kids is a great companion for travel. It holds slightly more water than other options on our list, and its double-wall vacuum insulation keeps liquids cool for up to 24 hours. Meanwhile, the lid features a loop handle for carrying or attaching to a backpack, so it's easy to take to school, practice, and wherever else. Takea's kids' water bottle is available in a variety of cool colors and comes with a soft-touch boot for improved durability. If you want to carry even more water, Takea's insulated water bottle for kids is also available in 16 ounces made from food-grade stainless steel. This BPA-free water bottle has a double-wall design to keep drinks cold, plus vacuum insulation and powder coating to keep it sweat-free and easy to grip. This kids' water bottle features a folding straw lid that is leak-proof when closed securely. Number 3. Yeti Rambler Kids Bottle. The Yeti Rambler Jr. is a heavy-duty kids' water bottle. It comes with a leak-resistant straw cap and features a double-wall vacuum-insulated design. We like straw caps because they're easy for kids to use and give them more control over the flow of water into their mouths. The straw cap with the Rambler Jr. is also ultra-durable to withstand a few bumps and bruises on the trail. Yeti's setup is dishwasher safe and is available in various bright colors. For adventurous kids, the Rambler Jr. can be customized with pre-made graphics and text. You can also upload a custom design on Yeti's website for a truly personalized water bottle. Withstands all dents and drops and puff-free, so they can safely sip without a worry in the world. No sweat design, keeps their hands dry, critical when summiting the jungle gym, and the Duracoat color won't crack or peel. Number 4. Camelback Kids Water Bottle. Featuring a variety of adorable designs and durable stainless steel construction, the Camelback Yeti Plus 12 ounces bottle reimagines the company's unique bottle design for kids. Vacuum insulation keeps water cold for several hours to keep kids hydrated during a busy day of school, a day at the playground, or little league practice. There's also a carry handle for easy transportation. The bottle features a powder coat finish, giving it a grippy texture that doesn't wash out in the dishwasher. The lid features Camelback's signature bite valve, where kids bite softly on the plastic straw to make water come out. It's intuitive and fun for kids, plus it makes the bottle spill-proof and leak-proof. The valve may be a slight annoyance for parents, as it's a separate, removable piece that takes a little extra effort to clean thoroughly. It's definitely worth the extra effort if the valve gets your kid drinking, though. Number 5. Hydro Flask. Hydro Flask's 12-ounce kids' wide mouth bottle is made of durable stainless steel and features double-wall vacuum insulation, so drinks stay icy cold for up to 24 hours. This is particularly great during the hot summer when dehydration is particularly dangerous. The Hydro Flask bottle features a straw lid that's easy for kids of all ages to use. It's made of solid plastic that curious kids won't be able to chew through. Like all straw lids, it can be tough to keep clean without a small brush handy, but it's also the easiest drinking apparatus for small kids. It also features a convenient loop handle and a perforated flex boot, adding extra protection and grip when placed on a surface. Best of all, the Hydro Flask is dishwasher safe, so you can throw it in with the rest of your dishes and get on with your day. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.